Hi everyone, I finally bought my first ever Kindle. So here Kindles, I bought it from my local marketplace together with the cover. So whenever I'm not using it, I can just keep it over here. And then this is my first Kindle ever. I feel like doing a video record for unboxing and doing the setup. So let's start right now. Okay, right now I'm going to unbox Kindle. So Kindle have about 3 models, Kindle Paperwhite, Kindle Oasis, and this one the normal Kindle. So I bought this Kindle is Kindle 10th generations. So yeah, it's about 6-inch touch display and it have a built-in light. Okay, the size capacities here is about 8 gigs over here, and why I choose this Kindles over here is because this is the cheapest, as this is my first ever ebooks over here. So I just want to have a feel and then try out comparisons with reading with the physical book. So the wrap is really perfectly nice over here, and it's much light. But from here you can see there's a mark here is that you need to tear it off to start open. So let's start now. Okay, I try to open here. Okay, have to tear off. So one is tear is considered open already. So that's the thing over here that's well protected over here. So the box, let me take out the box here. Okay, so inside here is empty. Let's just put it aside, and we come out this black color package over here with the logo of the Kindle with a tree and then the boy reading the book. So and then the logo here, Kindle, and the Amazon smile. So above over here is the ebook itself, the Kindle, and then at the back over here is a menu. So a simple, this is the black menu over here, and then this one also, okay, with multiple language. And the bottom of here is the USB charger to charge the Kindle, and so above here this is micro USB and this USB. So here is the Kindle. Okay, so it's kind of light over here. Okay, see got some more or not? Nope, that's it. So it's kind of very unique packaging. You just put over to the sides, everything's on the sides over here, so it's very unique. So I will just put back on the menu and charger and unwrap this plastic. Okay, so here right now you can see, okay, with the Amazon smile icon over here, and then some of the labeling. The touching is plastic, it's a matte feeling. Okay, there's no fingerprint you can hear, and then the sides all curve, so you're holding is considered light, and then it's not really edge, it's sharp, but it's all really smooth. And then there's a logo over here, Kindle. The bottom one over here is the charging port. Okay, and then this is the start button. So I already click, and then you see there's a light blue just now, and then you see that I'm starting here. The technology is really nice. It's like an e-ink comparison with the normal iPad. So the normal iPad you will see much glare, but right now you will see with this ring light only the reflection of the ring light is kind of like you are reading a paper-like screen, okay, but it's not normal like iPad screen LED. It's using the e-ink technology. So there's an option over here. I choose UK as Malaysians we use in UK base. So just get started. Okay, so right now we just have to wait. It says preparing your device. Okay, so see, there's a Wi-Fi connection. You have to connect Wi-Fi. Okay, once already connected, we are connecting to Amazon, and then there's we have to register the Kindles to Amazon's account. Okay, let's see. Yeah, use existing Amazon account or create a new account. I did purchase some books or products through Amazon the US, so I do have an Amazon account. So I use existing Amazon account. So once I already enter, you require me to make sure the time is correct, then make sure my phone number is correct also. So once you already ensure the phone numbers, email address and the Amazon account, you will log into this one, Kindle plus Goodreads at Amazon company. This Goodreads over here. So you can, Goodreads is a free service. Okay, you can find more books and then to go and read. So you can tap to turn on an account or sign into an existing account. So for Goodreads itself, I don't have. So I have to tap to turn on account. Or you can choose not to have, but since it's free, so I will click on it. So right now, this is another account you have to set up. So for those who haven't have any Amazon accounts, you have to sign up an Amazon account, and then now it's a Goodreads. So yep, I'm going to go through the flow on setting up an account for Goodreads. So it's required to create a new account and then my name over here. Okay, so I think but glare. So just click on create. Yeah, my account is created. This account for Goodreads. Okay, Goodreads. Okay, so we just go through, and then we just tell you some of the idea on how to use Kindle itself. Okay, so right now I just have to go on read, because this is my first time. I haven't go through on it, so yeah, I have to read for a while. It just tell you how to navigate the Kindle. Okay, there's some menus over here, and then I can slide, click done. And then you see Goodreads on Kindle. So welcome to my new Kindles here. So we just, it says that we have free samples and see what's the personal recommendation and find my first book. So I just say get started. I just go through all the steps over here. So with all these interests, he will just recommend the books that's interested to me. So once I'm okay, then I just click on to go and read over here. But if you can skip, you can skip here. But one thing over here is that once you flip on to the next page, I found out there's like, it will turn to black and then turns it white. And can you see here? It turns black and white. So I think this is the difference for this technology, this e-ink for any e-books. So I just click on anything here, you just turn black and then turn it white. So that's a bit weird here. So for example, let's go through this biography for the Steve Jobs. So let me see, I can click on anything or not. So inside the menu over here, you can see all library, your reading list, Kindle store, Audible, Amazon free time message, all these settings. So there's a lot of things to explore over here. And then homepage is the recommendations of the books, and then the Goodreads suggestion of books also another suggestion. So as I mentioned, that fictions, business, non-fictions, etc. of the books. And then if you want to go to Amazon to buy, you can click on the store, and then here also some of the lists to go and buy. Okay, let's experience my ebooks right now, and then maybe to find the books and go and read. Okay, that's it for today.